if I happen to cheat on a particular day or something, then but obviously I can compensate by exercising wisely. And obviously this has to be a lifestyle. I mean, in today's world, when everybody is on Instagram and Facebook, and everybody's YouTubing something, then there are so many people who are giving information about lifestyle, about exercising and everything, but then it gets confusing that who should we
Right.
actually follow.
Yeah.
And today actually this session is very informative, because we are getting all the information from someone who has specialized in this subject. So I am very eager to know about what kind of exercises I should follow at home, in behind these closed doors. So
Right.
what can how can I make most of it?
Right. So I think, as I said earlier, endocrinology is all about balancing. Similarly, food and water got to be balanced. Similarly, our wake and sleep cycle needs to be balanced, and hence food and activity also needs to be balanced. Now, what do we understand by this? बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स का फोन मैसेज अगेन आ रहा है कि लॉकडाउन है तो हम एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पा रहे, डॉक्टर हमारे पास जगह नहीं है, हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते. बट ऐसे नहीं है. लॉकडाउन इज अ राइट मिल्यू एट द मोमेंट जहां पर आप इंडोर एक्सरसाइजेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अस. वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आई विल टेल यू दैट लो इंटेंसिटी एक्सरसाइज करने से हैप्पीनेस के हार्मोन्स बढ़ जाते हैं, right? So there are two things that we tell patients: think out and work out. So when you think about a good memory of the past, happiness hormone बढ़ते हैं. And second is low intensity workout. Now, what are those workouts that we can do? And mind you, we don't call it as a घर का काम. This is a lockdown workout or a quarantine exercise. So, and it has to be taken very positively. So जो हम कर सकते हैं, those are, for example, one, we can do spot walking in front of the mirror in your home. You can do a spot walk. You can do a spot jogging. You can take a step. You can do step up and step down. You can do sit-ups. You can do squats. You can do namaskar. You can do dips. You can do exercise with pilates if you are used to and you know properly. You do planks, whether front planks, all fours, all sides. These are some of the important exercises we can do. And I'm sure our gym freaks and athletes are running inside the house and are doing some of the other weightlifting. So those who have dumbbells in the house, other family members also can try to use the dumbbells, provided they don't have a disease which is contradicting the exercise. Or if you do not have dumbbell and if you wish to do exercise, at least there must be water bottles in the house, whether 1 liter or 2 liter. Even that would serve as a very good exercise. So there are innumerable exercises, and we can individualize it again depending on what the person is to do. Or if you have comorbidities like joint pains, then in those people we give kind of an separate or a mild kind of exercise, so that it heals their body, it helps them maintain their joint mobility. And I call it as lockdown workout, and we also say it as Mera Ghar Mera Gym. This is the right time that we can do exercise, क्योंकि हमारे पास time भी है, मौका भी है, और हम कर सकते हैं.